So to go in and view videos, what you'll want to do is on your home screen, you're going to want to click on Teacher Resources. Within Teacher Resources, you want to click on Explore. And then over here by Explore where it reads Lessons, click on Lessons and then go to Videos. Underneath videos, you'll have your domains and you can scroll through there. You can pick your grade level. Scroll through and see which videos are available to you and your students. These are not assignable. So as you come through, you click on one, you're not going to assign this to your class. What you would do is you may end up finding one that goes along with a lesson that you're going to teach. And then you can preview this with your class, have a discussion about the goal of that lesson, and then do some activities and then assign that assignment if you would like. But the videos are not assignable, but this is how you would find and search for your videos. If you're looking for more specific search, what I would do is I'd come up here and I could type in functions in the top, and it's going to go ahead and pull these up. Understanding function notation, and it's going to pull up all the resources that we have for functions. Hopefully that explains it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Have a great day.